Hey guys, welcome back to Arie Moore's Makeup Room, where we learn and grow together. Guys, I am back with another eyeshadow tutorial. Today is all about the pink, the yellow liner, the black liner, even some rhinestones, baby. That's what this tutorial was all about. You know what I'm saying? Cute, everyday, flawless girl makeup with the queen, the Arie Moore. But anyway, guys, if you are new to this channel, please do take some time to subscribe. Make sure you guys go ahead and like this video and leave some comments down below. All right, let's get it. Let's go. So I'm gonna be using a small eyeshadow brush for today's look. We're gonna go into Kobo, and the reason why I want to use a small eyeshadow brush today is because I don't want the look to be too messy. Like, we're gonna clean up all of this little stuff that's kind of hanging underneath the eyes. We're gonna get that all cleaned up, but we're gonna take Kobo and take it right onto the mobile lid, and I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of just pat that color up really good until it's nice and dark, and make sure there's no gaps and bridges in between at all. So I'm gonna get that shade in really nice, and then this is the shade that we're gonna actually really blow out. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring that into this corner. Also, guys, huge announcement is coming to this channel very soon. So stay tuned for upcoming videos, because over the next couple weeks I will be dropping something amazing, guys. I can't wait. We've been talking about this for so long between this channel and my Late Nights with Arie channel, which is my main channel. Can't really remember what channel I talked about this the most on, but I know I've talked about it on my YouTube channel. So it's just so exciting to kind of see things that I want coming to light, and I'm just super excited for this next journey, guys. Yeah, it's just really about to be so amazing, and yeah, I just can't wait to share it. Also, I did do my eyebrows, y'all. Y'all know sometimes I just like to go ahead and get the eyebrows over with. I wanted to do like a really nice full brow today. Also, I need to go and shape my brows, so I have a lot of hair. Okay, the girl got a lot of hair going on. But I did want a full brow for this look, and I just think it's just going to go together perfect once everything is set and ready to go. So this is what it's looking like so far. I'm going to build this eye up probably a couple of more layers, and then I'm going to finish out this one, and then I'll be back, guys. Okay, so I have that color built up to where, you know, I pretty much will want it to. I'm going to go ahead and just use my paper towel and just brush off any of that extra color, because I'm not going to lie to you, today is one of those days where I just want to use the same brush. I have a lot to do today. I have a lot to do over the next couple of weeks. Y'all going to hear about it here soon. But yeah, I have not done my makeup, like my own makeup. I've done clients' makeup here recently, but I've not done my own makeup in a little bit. So I was like, I'm gonna do my makeup today. I'm gonna record a little video, but I still want it to be an easy look, and I don't want to be cleaning up a bunch of brushes, because I had a bunch of brushes to clean the other day, and I just don't feel like doing it today. But we're gonna go into the Peony from the Gardens palette, and we're gonna get a good amount of that onto this brush, and we're gonna use that to start to blow this look out. And it's possible that it's going to take some time. And don't forget that, you know, you may have to go back and forth in between colors until you get that buildup that you're actually going for. But for right now, let's just go ahead and add that to the very tip of this and start to try to blow this look out, guys. And it's going, and it's taking some time. It is taking some time. Also, guys, I am taking donations on this channel right now. Now is the time. I really need some donations, guys. So check out the description box down below. I always leave my Cash App down there, just in case anybody ever decides that they want to donate. So I would greatly appreciate that, guys. Just check the description box and donate to the channel. It would just help your girl a lot. So I'm just kind of shaping my eyes. I don't want it to be too wide. Can y'all see what's happening? So we got that dark pink lid, and then it's going to go into this light pink. I'm probably going to have to go back into that dark pink, and that's okay. So before I do that, I want to go ahead and blow this area out as well. And then we'll go back into that dark pink. So I'm going to show you guys that in just a second. So I added that pink onto that other side. We're going to go back into the Culture palette into that dark pink. And we're going to just kind of softly blow that into that crease just to kind of make it look a little more even. Add some of that color back. I'm just doing it very lightly, guys. Very, very lightly. Not too much. Just very lightly. And then as we go into that other color, if for any reason we need to repeat this process, that is okay. But we're just starting with just a little bit until we achieve that blowout look that we're going for. So I think that is enough. Just like that. So now let's go ahead into that other color. We're gonna go back into the Gardens palette. I'm still going to be using the same brush, guys, so I'm just going to rub all that off as much as possible. And then I'm going to go into the Marigold. That shade is really pretty. I want to get a really good amount of that shade onto this brush, and I am going to kind of go more close towards my brow and just really start to build that shade up. I want a good amount of that. There we go. That's a good amount. And I'm going to work that one up into the brow. It's just a soft shade. You may not really be able to see it just yet on the camera, but I think it's going to be really pretty. Bringing it up into the eyebrow just for an extra pop. Up into the eyebrow. And I'm definitely going to have to go over those colors again, which is fine. But I love that gold up there. It just really just kind of sets it all into place. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And guys, when it comes to doing like makeup and stuff, everybody has their own technique. There's no such thing as someone who does not know what they're doing. So if you're new on this journey, just know that makeup is how you want your face to look. Just find you somebody that has a technique that you can follow, and that kind of will guide you in the right direction as far as how to really achieve the looks that you're going for. You just have to follow people that have techniques that's doable for you. Some people have several steps in between their makeup looks. Some people don't. I'm one who likes to really simplify my looks. I like my looks to be easy to follow, but at the same time come out very, very beautiful. So that's the kind of artist that I am. I'm not going to say I don't pay attention to detail, because I definitely pay attention to detail, but not to a point where I'm like obsessed and feeling like, oh, if you didn't do my 1,000 steps, you suck as an artist. No, I'm not that kind of person. I'm going to go back into, oh no, that was actually in this Garden palette. That penny, I want to go back into that. This time I'm going to take a really, really good amount of that. Dap whatever little flyaways off. And then I'm going to try to blow that penny look back on top of that gold. Really nice. That way in person, you can just see the layers of this. You can really see those layers. So pretty. So back on the penny. Blowing that out a little bit more on top of that gold to just make those one. I don't see myself going back into that dark pink. I just really wanted that to be on my mobile lid, just to kind of add a little bit of transition color, but I don't really want it to be any more wider than where it's at. So that's pretty much going to be it. I'm just going to take my brush here on this mobile lid and just smoothing out whatever I feel like needs to be smoothing out. So this is the shade buildup for right now. Now we want to go into our eyeliner. I'm thinking, I don't know. I'll be back when I know. Okay, so if you made it this far in this video, guys, please make sure you go ahead and like this video. It's definitely going to help me with moving this video into the algorithm, so thank you so much. I decided to go with some yellow eyeliner from the Juvia's Place and then black eyeliner from NYX. Yeah, I'm not really a big fan of Juvia's Place eyeliner. Like, she has some really amazing color shades. I just do not like the brush on this, but we're gonna use it today just to go ahead and achieve this look, guys. And y'all already know I love my NYX. I love how it applies. So yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna do is go into this NYX. Do I have something to, yeah, I always have some arts and crafts for my kiddos on my desk, and I literally use it to dry my eyes. I think they know that by now. That's why they always give it to me. They be like, here you go, and they just literally throw it on my vanity because they do watch my videos. So we're gonna do a black wing, and then we're gonna outline that with the yellow. I'm trying to figure out how dramatic do I want the wing. I don't think I really want too much of a dramatic wing, so I'm just gonna kind of look down at my handheld mirror, find me a little small point, and I'm just gonna brush that over just like that, and then connect those lines, go over into this corner here. And I'm just going to kind of start filling that in. I'm not really going back into the palette just yet, or at the bottom. So that's a good short wing right there. So now we got to do the out wing. Go right into this corner. And very gently take it up. Just like that. Passing up that piece just a tad bit. Very, very short wing. I don't want nothing too long today. Simple, short wing. And now I'm just going to go back into that corner. And I'm just filling in any gaps of black. Filling in any gaps. Making sure it's nice and smooth. So guys, that is the wing. Y'all know how it is. You gotta let this dry before you move on, because if you're anything like me, it's easy. It's easy to mess up. So I'm gonna dry this wing out, and then I'm gonna do the other wing, and then we're gonna go over it with the yellow, but I'm actually gonna do that on camera so you guys can see that. Okay, y'all, so boom. The black liner's on. You know what I'm saying? Okay. We're gonna go into this yellow. Ooh, baby, I'm scared to use this yellow, honey. I ain't a fan of her liners now. Okay, and we're gonna just go at the tip, at the top of this black. We're gonna look down, and we're gonna start in the middle. And just make our line. I gotta be really quiet. Like, I gotta be really quiet. And one thing about her liner, baby, it's shit watery. And then take a little bit to dry. So this is what I'm doing. I'm lining it. And I can't do this on camera, y'all. I gotta go. I'll be back. Okay, so I've been packing up my makeup stuff, and I can't find my adhesive. Like, I might have to go to the store and get some eyelash glue just so I can finish this video, because I can't find it, and it's so tiny. Like, I don't know where I put it. I have multiple, but I'm like putting stuff. I can't wait to just give y'all this announcement, because at this point I gotta find me some eyelash glue, guys, because like I'm trying to put the gems on for y'all, and I can't find it, and we're almost done. But look at that. Look what's happening. Periods for the haters in the back. But I'll be back. Let me go find this glue, y'all. Y'all, I was about to send my honey bun. I was about to send him to the store. I was like, honey bun, because I wasn't gonna go to the store. I'm gonna lie to y'all, I wasn't gonna go. But then I literally found an old one, and I'm gonna make this one work. So that's okay. Or maybe I left this one in my drawer on purpose so that I can use it and then take all the, I always give my clients all the good stuff. Like all the brand new stuff that ain't all dirty. They get all the good stuff. I get all the stuff that's all messed up. But I'm gonna just do a little bit on the jewels, okay? So I usually put my rhinestones and stuff on here. It's just easier for me to grab. Do I want to use this set, or do I want to use another set? Oh, a lot of my stuff is just in different places. This is the set that we're gonna have to use. And I'm gonna just pull a little bit of this pink out because I think the pink will be so chill. I'm gonna do dark pink. I got dark pink and light pink in here, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna put that there. We got the adhesive, and then I have my little cute little rhinestone picker upper. I think I'm gonna have the rhinestones right here. Literally done this look before. Literally just realized that, like, y'all. Let's just go right here. I'm just gonna place the glue in a random spot. I'm not about to be all perfect with it because I'm really running out of time this morning. Y'all, I'm supposed to be, I gotta leave. I gotta get to work. Okay, hold on. Just enough to get me through the day. Just enough to get me through the day. All right. Might need a little bit more. No, these are the bigger ones. I don't think I wanted the bigger ones. But we're going to move on. And I'm just placing them in random spots, y'all. Wherever they go is where they're going to go. Wherever they go is where they're going to go. Shoot. Don't play with me, sweetheart. I'm trying to flip these other ones over. Flip over, bitch. Okay. What's it about, like 4 or 5? As long as they got the same head count on both sides, I don't be caring. So, boom, we got that there. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Just wherever they go is where they go. Wherever they go, wherever they go. It's going to be a good day. Y'all, I'm hungry. Y'all, I told my daughter, I was like, you going to go to work with me today? And, bitch, I just dropped one. I said, you going to go to work with me today? And we're going to go get some Starbucks. Because I love getting some Starbucks before I got to work. And I said, don't tell your sisters. Because they're going to stay at home with their stepdad. Okay. As soon as our sisters get home, guess what she does? Mama's going to take me to work behind and get us some Starbucks. So they come in the room. They said, you getting Starbucks tomorrow? Can we get some? I said, no. So I said, no, I'm not getting Starbucks. So she comes in the room and she's like, I thought you said we was going to get Starbucks. And I said, and I told you it was a secret and your ass told everybody. So no, we're not getting any Starbucks. But I am. She just ain't. Bottled water it is. But yeah, little girl, next time, do better. I know I want to do something in the little tear duct area. I need to find me a little brush. Okay, let me just use the same one I've been using. Because, child, or should I just go ahead and get another brush and quit being lazy? I can clean 2 brushes. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, I'm being so lazy. It's not even funny. But I want like another small. I'll use this one. This is fine. I just got me another brush, y'all. And I'm going to go into this garden palette. And we're going to use, no, I don't want it to be too much. We're going to use daffodil, whatever. Oops, I'm digging too deep. And we're just going to add that shimmer right in here. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Pat that on. Right there. Brighten up that corner. Because who ain't going to brighten up her corner? Shine bright like a diamond. Okay. This is what we're doing, y'all. This is what we're doing. So, I'm going to brighten up this corner. Finish my makeup. Like my face. I'm about to start on my face real quick. I'm not recording it. I don't feel like recording it. Throw my lashes on. And then I'm going to show y'all what we looking like. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I'm done. As you can see, I wasn't sure about the black lips, like the black gloss lips. I was not 100% sure about these lips. And then I got makeup on here too, but it's okay because I'm literally just taking pictures in this and then I got to take it off and get into my working clothes. But this is the final look. And I like the lips. I like the lips. I love it. I love the whole look. We got the eyes. Yes, sir. Looking good. Brows is snatched. Face. The face always gives what it needs to give. Black Barbie. Okay, black Bratz doll. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you go and check me out on Instagram, Glam with Arie. Check the description box, y'all, because I'm about to post some reels and some pictures and all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? So, yes, sir. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Hope you did subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I hope you guys leave some comments down below. All right, guys, I gotta go.